Today's your special day, it's time to celebrate. Another year of life, let's make it great. With friends and family all around, we'll dance and sing, make joyful sounds. May every moment bring you happiness and fun. May all your dreams come true one by one. Let's raise a toast to the years that have passed, and cheers to the future, may it be a blast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wishing all your dreams come true. May the laughter never end. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Oh yeah. It said, yeah. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Oh yeah. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Oh yeah. Wishing all your dreams come true. May the laughter never end. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Oh yeah.
Hello, kumusta ka na? I hope and pray that you are in the best of everything despite your current health situation. But I still believe that God is working His way in you. With that, may I greet you with a happy and enjoyable birthday this year and wishing you the best years to come. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Rosemary. Hope to see you soon. God bless you at enjoy your life. My name is Eric Flores, singles member before. Regards sa inyong lahat. God is good all the time. God bless.
Happy birthday, Wa. God bless you.
Hi, Wa. I would like to greet you a very blessed birthday. I'm so thankful that the Lord has sent me to the ministry. I was able to know you and the group. I'm so happy na you have become a friend of mine. I'm so blessed na you are so, kahit na sabihin natin I'm late na nakadating sa ministry, but still you shared many things sa akin, as well as yung na-develop yung friendship there, kahit na kaunting sandali lang, pero hindi ka nagbago until now. I would like to thank the Lord for your life. I would like to ask the Lord for healing and a longer life para sa iyo at kayo ni Rene. Thank you for your time na binibigay sa amin whenever you are home here. Hoping to see you again next time. And yun na nga, I would just like to bless you with a prayer of more abundant life and healing din doon sa kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo. Thank you and God bless you. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. Bye-bye.
Ay, Siswa, gusto ko lang bumati ng happiest birthday sa iyo at nawa enjoyin mo yung special na araw mo at I pray na magpatuloy na yung complete healing mo at sana next year makauwi ka para makapag-banding tayo. No, hindi ko na rin pabahin kasi hindi ako sanay mag-video eh. So, ingat na lang lagi at lagi mong babantayan yung diet at importante yun. So, anyway, Salamat din sa itinulong mo sa akin. Malaking bagay yun. Hindi ko makakalimutan. Salamat ulit, Sister Wa. At God bless sa lahat.
Hi, Wa! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Wa! I pray that the Lord will continue to bless your health, more blessing, and more happiness in life. Enjoy this special day. I hope one day I'll see you. Happy birthday again, Wa! See ya! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
Happy birthday, Wa! God bless you. May you have an enjoyable day. And may you continue to be healthy.
Yes.
And of course, beautiful. Dami. Greet mo si Tita Wa.
Happy birthday, Wa.
Arr, arr, arr.
Hope we can see each other again pagbalik mo
Soon,
ulit soon. Rest assured, pinagpipray ka namin palagi. Lahat tayong mga sisterette. Yan.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
Arf, arf.
Birthday.
Happy birthday from Luffy. We love you.
Love you.
Hello, Rosemary. How are you? Have a pleasant day to you. And this is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. And since this is the day that the Lord, someone who has been made fearfully and wonderfully in the person of you, at wa ko masabi, wa ko masaya. Sorry kung medyo napaaga yung greetings ko sa iyo nung May 1. Actually kasi nung May 1, every time it's Labor Day, I always remember that it's your birth month already. And in-anticipate ko na baka makalimutan ko na naman. Kasi anytime na pagdating na mismong birthday day mo, which is May 9, supposedly, I always tend to na madalas nakakalimutan ko. So, may napaaga ako. And I don't really mean to make you mapabilis yung pagtanda mo. Pasensya na, medyo ito nga, senior na rin. But, actually, you're not getting old. We're not getting old. Number of years are just numbers for us to count how many years we are young on earth. So for the past so many years, we are still looking much younger than we are actually, younger than our age, our current age. So happy birthday. And despite of everything, alam mo naman, marami tayong mga challenges. At actually siguro maaaring masabi ng lahat sa iyo ng wonderful greetings and everything, but isa lang ang wish ko talaga sa iyo na ang Lord ang magsabi sa iyo na someday you will be able to really hear it from the Lord himself, that you are a well done and faithful servant. Thank you so much for your life, and I thank really the Lord for the opportunity and the privilege for letting us experience sharing your life once upon a time. At salamat ng marami sa friendship, because the Lord is with us, and our friendship will endure to eternity. And regards to your family, to your husband, and to your pets, to everyone, at salamat. Enjoy your day, wa. Happy birthday. God bless. Bye.